Okay, bit of a different video this one. People were aware that I got an electric bike recently, and it's this Vitilan i7, and I changed the bars for the BMX style, and they wanted to see what it looked like. So it's first day out today. It's not a sponsored video, it's just me with a new toy, and people wanted to see what I'd done with the BMX bars. So it's like that. That's the display again, full colour, really bright, built-in lights, and the phone holder's really solid, made of steel, and yeah, really enjoying it. Kept me shopping in.